In today's video, I am going to create a smoky mint green eyeshadow look. Today's I am says, there are no problems without a solution. There are no problems that do not have a solution. There are no problems that does not have a solution. What today's I am is saying is, no matter what problem you have, there will be a solution. Do not give up on the problem. Seek for the solution. Today's I am. So now that we know that there is a solution, or there are solutions to all of our problems, all of it. There are solutions to all of our problems. Today's I am says, there is no problem. There are no problems without a solution. So now that we know that, let us seek the solutions to our problems. Always remember you're first. Love yourself plenty. Do not give up on yourself. Life is just so important. If you are tired, get rest. If you are weary, sit down, take a deep breath. If you are troubled, seek God and find somebody to talk to. Do not hurt yourself. You are precious. You matter. Find what makes you know that you matter. I matter because I am alive with the breath of life, so I know I matter. What makes you know you matter? Let me know in the comments. It is different for every single one of us. Now I'm taking the brush with the black on it, and I'm just going to blend it on the edges of that mint green. The same black that I put in the brow bone, I'm putting it on the lids. today's mint smoky eye look. I added 2 mint rhinestones right here on each eye, just to give me that little bling, you know what I mean? I am so thankful that you are here watching my video. I appreciate you kindly. I want you to know that you matter. On this channel, you matter. I try to share what's going on with me so you will not be afraid or ashamed to seek and talk to someone about what's going on with you. None of us should be suffering in silence. There are communities, and we have to seek the right ones for us. Today's I am again. Just a reminder of today's I am. It says, there are no problems that do not have a solution. There are no problems that do not have a solution. So what this is saying is, there is a solution to all or any of our problems. And we should seek solutions and don't be ashamed or hide what we are feeling. Until I see you and you see me, remember, any of your problems, you will find and seek a solution. There is a solution to any of your problems. Hype this video, share it with someone else, and I will see you shortly. Today's look again. Bye.